Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're asking, is there a disconnect between analog and digital Thai immigration? I would say at this stage of the game there definitely is. Whether or not this remains the case remains to be seen. But that said, let me just get into this article. I thought of making this video after reading a recent article from the Pattaya Mail, that's pattayamail.com. Article is titled, 90 Days Immigration Report Now Needs Update Form. Quoting directly, expats who are reporting their 90 days stay in Thailand with a receipt and a barcode in their passports are now being asked to submit a new TM47 form. That's the traditional application form for the 90 days. This appears to be a new rule at Chonburi Immigration Bureau with the intent of quote-unquote refreshing the 90 days database. My question is come on. I mean, at what point, look, I've been reporting on Thai immigration matters for years now, and I like to think that I keep a pretty objective countenance, if you will, regarding how I view Thai immigration. It just is what it is. Immigration always has forms. I've dealt with U.S. immigration for 16 years now, dealt with Thai immigration for almost as long. It's always going to require forms. I get that. Point I'm trying to make here is these online applications keep coming up, and then their analog counterpart in the real world doesn't seem to connect with it. Well, then let's either scrap one or the other. I mean, to my mind, what's the point of having the online stuff? As they note in this, you know, Thailand with a receipt and a barcode. So they're talking about someone's done their 90-day reporting online, and if they show up at immigration and say, hey, yeah, I did my 90-day reporting 3 months ago or whatever, and they say, no, you need to still go ahead and fill out this TM47 form. Well, then what was the point of the online system in the first place? Again, I'm not trying to be hypercritical because immigration has a function and bureaucracy just is what it is. You just sort of deal with it as it comes and you take it as it comes. But honestly, between this TM30 and this 90-day reporting stuff, the Byzantine levels of redundancy are really getting a little bit beyond reasonable. Now, this may be the result of just a transition we're going through right now, and we may have, you know, I may look back on this video a year from now and say, well, you know, in hindsight, they got that all worked out, and we now have a really streamlined system. I very much hope that's the case, but honestly, if it's going to continue like this, it seems to be, for lack of a better word, untenable.